Hey guys, I'm participating in a collab hosted by Mrs. V. It is a bathroom vignette. You must use a tray and a candle. I'll link Mrs. V's channel below as well as the playlist so you can see what everyone else came up with. Thank you for watching and on to the video. Okay, so I'm going to start with this puzzle from Dollar Tree. It has a wood backing. I will take the puzzle pieces out, and then I'm using two of these thankful signs as well. I will save the puzzle pieces. I may use them in another DIY. I'll be using the Waverly chalk paint in moss green. I'll give this board one coat and don't forget to do the edges. And once the board is dry, I'll use these thankful signs, and I'm using the fix-all glue to hold them in place. I'm just using some bottles of paint to weight this down, and we'll let this dry. I'll be using this napkin, and as you'll see, I tried a few different things and finally decided on one design, and you'll see that at the end. I'll use Mod Podge to glue these items down, and then I'll put a coat of Mod Podge on top as well. And then I will display it for you. But first, I've decided to add some jute twine to the edges. And here's what we have, and onto the display. So here it is. I've set it in my bathroom on a cabinet that I did DIY. It was a Goodwill find, and I'll link that video in the description box in case you're interested. I think it turned out really cute. Here it is when I turn the lights off, but you can barely see it. I need more candles, I believe. But I think it turned out cute, and thank you so much, Mrs. V, for hosting this collab today. I really enjoyed putting this together, and it did add some decor to my bathroom. So thank you so much for that. Thanks to my subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you join. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.